Hello everyone, this is part 7 of C programming language video series. In this video, we will cover switch statement, general form of switch statement program without break statement and with break statements. So we will discuss different switch statement programs. The switch statement, the control statement that allows us to make a decision from the number of choices is called a switch. The switch statement tests the values of a given expression against a list of case values, and when a match found, a block of statements associated with the case is executed. So this is general form of switch statement. Here switch expression, here given some expression, and this expression indicate where the control switch. Okay, so here these are the case value 1. So here we declare some case values, and here this if this case is true, so this block will be executed. If yeah, or we can say that if the switch expression switch to the this particular case, so this case block 1 will be executed, and break statement or break is a keyword. So block 1 executed, then the program will exit, means program will break. Okay, so if we not use break, so the next case will be executed. So break statement is more the break statement mainly work is that the particular block executed, then the program will exit, program get out. Here these are the different case, and here is the default. Default means if we enter some values or that is not match with particular case values, so the default block will be executed. Okay, so this is a program of switch statement. In this program we does not use a break statement. So here first we declare int I equal to 2. Here we assign 2 value to I. So here we initialize 2 value to I. Here switch I. Here in I we already initialize 2 values. So here in I 2 value store in I. Here switch uh, I. So here the switch means the control will switch uh, on case 2 because I contain 2 values. So the control will switch directly to case 2, and the case 2 uh, in case 2 the printf case 2 will execute it. Okay, so here we see the output. So first we case 2 will print here, and then control switch case 3, and the case 3 part or block will execute. Here case 3 will and the next output, and then in next case 4 block will executed. So here case 4 also print here, and in last the default block will also executed. So here we see the output of default. So because we not use a break statement, so the all from case 2, so the subsequent from case 2 all case statement executed. So here because all cases executed, because this is a program of break state without break statement. Okay, now the next program we see with break statement. So this program use with break statement. So this program is related to print day of week using switch case. So particular day we want to print. Okay, so here int week. So here we take integer type of week variable. Here printf enter week number. Here 1 to 7. So this message will print and ask to user uh, to enter any number from 1 to 7. So here, if the user give any number, so the scanf function will scan the value, and this value will store in weak variable. And here, suppose we enter 4 value. So the 4 value will store in weak, and in switch, the 4 value come in weak value variable, and the switch statement will switch to case 4. So directly we switch to case 4. So here we suppose we switch to case 4, and here print Thursdays and the break. Okay. So these are the this program. In this program we use break in each case. So here we see the output. Suppose enter week number 1 to 7. So here we enter 5. Okay. So here enter week. So here this message asks uh, to enter any value 1 to 7. So we enter 5. So here 5 is stored in week variable, and in switch, the switch statement will switch directly to case 5. So here uh, the control switch on case 5 and execute this statement print Friday. So here the output will display print Friday, and the break keyword break this program means this program will exit because we use break keyword. Okay, so the next case will not print. So in last program we see without break program, so the all statement execute after two second case. Okay, here no more case will execute. Okay, the next program is another example with a break statement. So in this program, uh, print month of the year using switch case. So any month we want to print. So here int month number. So here we take month number and the printf input month number. So here this is the message will display after the compile the program or run the program. So the input month, it will ask to input any month number. Here suppose we enter some month number 1 or 2, so the value will store in month number, and this value come here, and this switch just switch to the particular case which match. So here the case 1, case 2. So here we here make the case 1 means case 1 means related to January, and then break case 2 February, and break case 3 will exit related to March, and then break case 4 related to April, case 5 May, case 6 June, case 7 July, case 8 August, and case 9 September, case 10 October, case 11 November, and case 12 December, and the last is default. So if the user give any value and that not match from 1 to 12 and enter suppose 15, so the 15 value not match to any case, so the default value will execute this message invalid month number, please try again, and then break. So here this is the output. Suppose we run this program and input 9. So here 9 related the control switch to 9 case here, and the September message will print September. It is a month related to 9. So this is a one more program related to switch case um, statement. So I hope you understand the without break program and break without break statement and with break statement using this program. So if you have any query related to this video, you can write comment in comment box, and I will answer of that query. Thank you.